Frida 12.3 is out, and there's a new and very exciting feature that I'd like to show you. So say we launch an iOS app and the user terminates that app. Frida will tell you process terminated. However, if the app crashed, it will also tell you the same thing, so you wouldn't know why. But now with Frida 12.3, this changes. So if we try that again, and we use this specially crafted test app to simulate a crash reading an invalid address by tapping that button, Frida now tells you why. This is because we integrate with native crash reporter on iOS and Android. So now you might be wondering if you can get further details about the crash, and you definitely can. So let's have a look at what that looks like at the API level. So let's import Frida, and we'll get the mobile device. And then we'll attach to the hello process. Then we'll add a signal handler for the detached signal. And then we'll block on standard in, reading from standard in. And we'll define an ondetached function, callback function. And in the past, it only had one single argument, the reason. But now there's also a second argument, which is the crash. So if one occurred or none otherwise. So say we do reason and crash. Try this out. So let's just start the app so we can attach to it, and let's simulate a crash, say with JetSam this time. And here you go. We get the ondetached called, process terminated is the reason, and there's also a crash object here. So we have the process ID, we have the process name, we have the summary that you saw earlier, and we have a report that looks interesting. It's pretty huge. There's also some parameters. It's pretty useful. So now let's look at the report. So say we do report, and let's print that. This time, yeah, let's do JetSam again. And this might look familiar to you if you've seen an iOS crash log before. So here we go, and the report is here. So with the backtrace and everything. And what's also pretty cool is that we instrument the crash reporter, so we enable symbolication. So you don't have to use Xcode to symbolicate this. And another cool thing is that we augment the list of loaded libraries, so it looks like Frida's manually mapped injected libraries are part of the list, because Frida has an out-of-process dynamic linker that it uses for its injection, and Apple's dynamic linker doesn't know about Frida's injected libraries. So that's the new cool feature in this release. I hope you enjoyed.